In an increasingly digital age, where the data drives decision making and innovation, our project emerges as a beacon of the transformative potential. With that quote, I would like to introduce our project Blind Assistant for Voice Assistant for the Blind using Machine Learning. I am Surya S. from Sri Krishna College of Technology. Moving on to the next, we are the team of 4 visionary students dedicated to revolutionizing accessibility for the visually impaired. Through the power of machine learning, we have crafted a voice assistant. Our mission is to empower the blind with independent knowledge and new dimension of daily life. With collaboration, innovation, and empathy at our core, we are not just building our technology, we are building a bridge to more than an inclusive world. Envisioning the blind is our team quote where we dedicate ourselves to create innovative solutions and technology to enhance the lives of visually impaired individuals. Through a combination of assistive devices, software applications, and accessible designs, our team aims to empower blind people by providing them with a greater independence and accessibility to information. By leveraging advancements in technology and fulfilling the aspects of their life. In today's world, advancement in technology have opened up numerous opportunities for education and personal growth. However, for visually impaired students, these advancements often come with a unique challenge that can hinder their academic process. This is our problem statement where the visually impaired students and also adults face challenges in perceiving and identifying their objects in the environment, hindering their independence and interaction with the world. So here comes our solution with the leading edge of the technology, using object detection technology to help the blind identify and understand objects around them. The Raspberry Pi can indeed offer a valuable solution to enhance the lives of visually impaired individuals by combining computer vision and accessible technology. This approach can aid blind individuals in identifying objects and navigating their environment more confidently. By utilizing a Raspberry Pi camera and a pre-trained object classification model, we empower them with a new level of environmental awareness. The innovation bridges the gap between their senses and the world, enhancing their daily lives and fostering greater independence. So here comes our company overview. The market for business process aimed at serving visually impaired individuals is one that combines technology and innovation, accessibility and social impact. So the market plan for visual impairment in India or around the world consists of $4,362 million in US market as of 2022 with 8.1% of increase in CAGR percentage. We will be forecasting up to $8,130 million of the US market as expected in 2027. With our project having only 5% of total shares in the whole market, we will be able to making $21 million. So we can be acted as a monopoly in the existing current market. So the possible estimations for our product includes the results of the probabilistic sensitivity analysis that are present as cumulative distribution function. The results showed that 95% of results lay between 947 billion to 1427 billion or 0.47% to 0.70% of GDP, with a median of INR 1187 billion or 0.858% of GDP for the main scenario. For the conservation scenario, the function not only as shown but 95% of results lay between 348 billion to 621 billion. Our probabilistic estimates are always at the higher range as this makes our monopoly in our market. So here comes the project prototype where we have used a Raspberry Pi 4, a web camera and a headphone and a SD card for storage. The Raspberry Pi 4 acts as a mini computer which is connected with the web camera and also the power supply, where it is acted as an object detector which converts the object into a voice output. So here comes our business canvas, which is more likely a business process where we have described about our problems and our solution, where I have already mentioned that detection of objects for blind, cost of buying and train is high and harder to interpret what is in front of them. That's the main problem for the blind, and the solution we provide is object detection using camera and also Raspberry Pi. Detection objects are sent as voice signal. The activity that the Raspberry Pi does inside the machine is text to speech converter, face recognition system, face capturing strangers who is possibly indulging in their crime. This might be a best innovative technology where we can capture the stranger's face who are about to hurt the blind peoples so as to become more peculiar about their well-being. Our unique value proposition include product is used to detect objects for the blind, and this is simple to understand without any complex soundscape. It is more affordable than sophisticated devices for the blind. Our unfair advantage in this product is that this is our first product for the blind in the area of object detection. Our advantage. Our channels are dealers, partnerships, websites, and conference and events through which we may promote our product. Customer segments includes blind schools, enterprises, social organization, personal use, hospitals, and also other areas where blinds are acted. Our cost structure includes product development, marketing expenses, and distribution expenses. Our revenue streams include selling to the retailers in the market through government organizations and also partnership with other companies that ease the blind mobility. Our targeted companies in India as of now includes Barrier Break Solution Private Limited, Forest Health, Phoenix Medical Systems, Tinkerbell Labs, iWay, Enable India, Perkins India, Sense International India. Why we have choose all these set of companies is because these all the companies is providing solutions and also assertive support for the blind through their products, which acts as an B2B business process where they will be providing solutions for the blind. If we target these companies, we will easily be able to sell our products through the mediators of the companies. Our 2-year action plan includes commercialization of the plans as of in September and running focus groups in December, which is the end of 2023. After 3 months, we are going to test our product in the April, and after 3 months, we are going to introduce our product to the market. And after 3 months, we will be reviewing and upgrading in 2024. That's our plan in the 2023 and as of 2024. Our growth plan is a 2-year plan where we will be testing and deploying our product in the market as of in 2024 and also upgrading and reviewing our product in the December of 2024. So the cost analysis for our product includes Raspberry Pi costs rupees 6,000, power adapter cost 500, web camera costs 1,000, headphone cost 500 and SD card cost 500. So total it would be 8,500. With a profit percentage of 10, we would be selling the product as 9,350 with a profit of 850 rupees. So our possible future developments include detect every object in front of the blind and detect objects only when the blind gives command. Detect objects only for what the blind is searching for. And other feature also which may be included in the future are text to speech converter, face recognition system of known persons, face capturing of strangers who can possibly indulge in doing harm to the blind.
Moving on to SDG goals. SDG goals stands for Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the Global Goals, were adopted by United Nations in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty and protect the planet, and also ensure that by 2030 all peoples enjoy peace and prosperity. We have 17 most important SDG goals, in which we have selected 6 most important SDG goals, which are good health and well-being, reduced inequalities, decent work and economic growth, sustainable cities and communities, industry, innovation and infrastructure, responsible consumption and production.
Summary: as I have said, product might be a monopoly and it is offering a well-known assertive support for the blind. The implementation of our object detection system on Raspberry Pi offers promising solution to the accessibility and independence of visually impaired individuals. By providing real-time audio feedback about their environment, the system empowers them to navigate with greater confidence and safety. Our primary focus is to serve commercial and industrial sectors where visually impaired individuals are employed to interact. This includes workspace, educational institutions, public spaces, and industrial facilities. Thank you.